Okay, we are on to the week 15 test videos, and here is the video for question 1, which is concept 15.1a. We have scale drawings, and in a scale drawing, what you're asked to do is take an original figure and scale it up or scale it down to create a new figure. Scale up if the scale factor is greater than 1, scale down if the scale factor is less than 1. In the case of this problem, what we need to know is that the scale factor is 1.5. So we know our new drawing will be larger than our old drawing, which means our new area and perimeter will be greater than our old area and perimeter. So let's start by figuring out the area and perimeter of our existing figure. For a figure that is 2 centimeters by 5 centimeters, the area equals the length times the width. So in this case, it's 5 times 2 for a total of 10, and this is in squared centimeters. So anytime you're doing area, you're using squared centimeters. So this will be 10 squared centimeters. We write it as cm squared. The perimeter will be adding all the sides. So 2 plus 5 plus another 2 plus another 5, adding all the way around, and that will give us 14 centimeters. Those are not squared centimeters, they are just centimeters. Now we're ready to create the new figure, and we were asked in the instructions for part B to redraw the rectangle using that scale factor. So we need to create a new rectangle, and I fortunately have this nice rectangle tool. And I realize when you take the test you don't have this rectangle tool, and that's all right. We're not talking about a drawing class here, so if your rectangle isn't perfect, that's quite all right. And we need to find the new area and perimeter. To do that, first we need to find the lengths of the sides. So the scale factor is 1.5, which means we're going to have 2 times 1.5. And that will give us our new width of 3. We're also going to have 5 times 1.5, and that will give us our new length of 7.5. So now we'll have, again, an area of length times width. If we multiply 7.5 times 3, we get 22.5 squared centimeters, 22.5 squared centimeters. And if we add 3 and 7.5 and 3 and 7.5, we add all the sides together, we will get a perimeter of 21 centimeters. So this is the scale drawing concept. Now next week the scale drawing concept will be to actually create a drawing from a description. We've been working on that in class, so this idea will probably cycle around again one more time, test the third time you see this on a test. So you need to know how to do this, and if you're not sure how to do it, watch the video, check it against your test, and then if you still have questions, be sure you bring them to class.